Today a tragic incident happened in America, Huzur, and a lot of people died, or there was a great loss of lives. So what could be the consequence of this incident to Huzur?
Yet to be seen. It's too early to guess. So far they are not agreed upon the casualties. Although some great buildings have been destroyed, so far they only admit 6 dead. And according to some news, more than 50,000 have died. So it's too early to make a guesswork. And the reaction of America, of course, will be very severe. But in what form, that is yet to be seen. Apparently it is a Palestinian attack, and they have admitted as well. But the question is, Palestinians are already thoroughly transgressed against, and what else could America do about it? America can't bombard the entire Palestine. So it's a question of great dilemma, which seems to be resolvable. But we'll see. It's too early to guess.